There is a crisis happening right now in education, and it has nothing to do with funding or curriculum or teacher shortages. It has to do with AI. Every major AI tool available today, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, they all do one thing when a student asks a question. It gives them the answer instantly, completely, no thinking required. And students are using that every day to complete assignments they don't understand, submit work that isn't theirs, and then fail the exam because the actual knowledge was never built. We built Socrates to be the opposite of that. Socrates is named after the Greek philosopher who believed that all knowledge already exists within the student. The teacher's job isn't to pour in information, it's to draw understanding out through skilled questioning. The best human tutors work exactly this way. When you ask them what's the answer, they say, "What do you think the answer is?" That question feels frustrating in the moment, but what you think through, you remember. What you're told, you forget. That interaction, that back and forth, has been the gold standard for deep teaching for 2,500 years. And now we have built a platform that makes it available to everyone for free in any subject at any time. When you open Socrates, the first thing it does is not teach you, it listens. A 5 question adaptive diagnostic maps exactly what you already know before a single session begins. No wasted time on concepts you've already mastered. It finds your real starting point. Then the Socratic dialogue begins. You tell Socrates what you're confused about, and instead of explaining it to you, it asks you a question. One precisely targeted question, aimed at the exact gap in your understanding. If you answer correctly, it goes deeper. If you get it wrong, it doesn't tell you the right answer. It asks you what you're thinking went wrong. Then it asks again, from a slightly different angle. This continues until you arrive at the understanding yourself. And when you do, that understanding is yours. It's not borrowed from a chatbot. You earned it. The entire time this is happening, a live knowledge map is updating on screen. Every concept you master lights up. Moving from gray to amber to green, you can see your understanding growing in real time. That visual progress is genuinely motivating in a way that a grade or a number never is. Beyond the core Socratic dialogue, Socrates has a complete suite of learning tools built around the same principle, making understanding active, not passive. There's a full spaced repetition flashcard system with a proper algorithm that has 4 stages: new, learning, reviewing, and mastered. Cards are scheduled at scientifically optimized intervals to move knowledge from short term to long term memory. There's a Pomodoro timer built directly into every study session, 25 minutes of focused work followed by 5-minute breaks, with a visual progress ring so you always know where you are in the cycle. Every session is saved and replayable. You can go back, read the full transcript of any conversation you've had with Socrates. There is a concept search across all 85 map concepts in an achievement system with 10 badges that unlock as you build mastery, and a full AI powered study planner generator that produces a personalized 5-day plan built around your actual knowledge gaps, not a generic curriculum. One of the most important features in Socrates is that one student never see. The teacher dashboard shows a full class roster alongside a concept gap heat map. Every student, every concept, a colored grid showing exactly who understands what and who doesn't. A teacher looking at this dashboard knows in 30 seconds which concepts to reteach tomorrow, not from instinct or guesswork, from data, real mastery data generated by the students' own Socratic sessions. This is the missing link between individual AI tutoring and classroom instruction. The student gets a personalized tutor, the teacher gets actionable intelligence about where the entire class is struggling. Under the hood, Socrates is powered by Groq's Llama model, currently the fastest large language model available for free. Responses stream word by word in real time, creating the feel of a genuine live conversation rather than a loading spinner. The API key is stored securely on the server side through Vercel Edge Function proxy, which means every visitor to the site gets full AI functionality completely for free, without needing to sign up or provide any credentials. All student data stays entirely on the student's device. Nothing stored on any server. It's completely private. We built this in vanilla JavaScript with no framework and no dependencies beyond the AI model itself. It loads in under a second, it works on any device, it requires nothing from the user except curiosity. Socrates covers 8 subjects and 85 map concepts today, but the architecture scales to any subject, any age group, any curriculum. Because the Socratic method isn't a subject, it's a way of thinking, and that is what we're trying to build. Not just a better study tool, but a platform that changes the relationship between students and knowledge, one question at a time. Thank you.